This is just going to be an unboxing. I'm just going to try it out real quick on my iPad. Make sure that it charges, and that's it. I don't know all the details. It was a great price. I use these for traveling. I actually stuff them in my car. And whenever we go somewhere, when we need a charger for our iPad or any other USB-C device, it comes in handy. So it's just going to be an unboxing and showing you what you actually get. The link is below. You get a 2-pack. Let me take this off. Let me get a pair of scissors. And then we add the cable, which is cool, 6 feet. Let's plug this in. Get this going. USB-C to USB-C. And, perfect. As you can see, it is charging 100%. This was kind of an unboxing. I just tried it to make sure it was working. I tried them all out. They're all working. No issues whatsoever. I purchased these many times. I wait for them to go on special. And I use them mostly for travel, you know, to put in my car or my book bag or something, so I can have an extra charger. I sometimes, because of the price, I sometimes give them away. You know, it makes a nice gift if somebody lost theirs and you have extra. You're like, okay, here you go. So I'm going to end my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.